where today we would just be working with what material we have. It's Friday. So I'm going to go ahead on and just see if we can get on this pantry right here and knock this shit out completely. That means 2 coats of satin exterior paint on this motherfucker. Exterior paint's more durable, so I use it inside. I'm not using no more of that Pro Classic Sherwin-Williams shit that drips everywhere and all that. So today I went and I had me a gallon of Clarks and Kensington made. Exterior Clarks and Kensington satin enamel. And one thing, it comes white in the can because it's not mixed or nothing. Instead of having a color added, I had her hit it with some white, because that makes it more white. Because if you put the Clarks and Kensington, there's a different whiteness between one paint and another paint. So I put coats of Clarks and Kensington on some of this other stuff in here, and although it looked really bright white, I went and put the Pro Classic over top of it, and it looked even more white. So we went on and had her fucking tint that with a white tint on top of the white base. So that's going to make the cabinet really white and stand out. So that's where we're at today. Not a whole lot we can do today, being as all we got left is a gallon of paint and some hardyboard. So we're going to go ahead on and sand down some shit in the back bedroom. It's fucked up on the wall. And right here. On the bottom of that wall right there. How that happened. Some sheetrock got painted over it. It happens. So I'm going to go ahead on and sand that down and paint that. Then I'll paint the pantry. And in between, probably go ahead and start working on putting some hardyboard down in the bathroom. That's where we're at today on day 30 so far. All right, so now we're at the end of day 30. Started putting some of this hardibacker down for the towel that's going in the bathroom. And I've got my impact and all my shit all ready for that. Dave walked around and just touched the paint and everything up today. All the fucking doors and stuff for that damn pantry, they're all fucking painted and they're ready. I just need to go get the hardware. So I made a list of all the different hinges and door handles and stuff we need. All these are the rest of the doors and stuff for the pantry. Right here's the pantry. It's been painted with 2 coats of satin trim paint, so that's all ready to go. So as soon as I get my door handles and my hinges, I can go ahead and put all that shit back together. But basically, that's all that went on today. Just painted that pantry shit twice, and I knew that I was only going to use about 1/4 gallon of paint. So rather than go and waste money buying a whole gallon of interior trim paint, I got a gallon of exterior trim paint, and I had them add some extra white tint to it. That way I have 3/4 gallon left over for outside the house, for doing the outside of the windows and stuff. And instead of 3/4 gallon of interior trim paint that's just not going to get used. So when you're doing shit like this, it's good to think about stuff like that. Also, exterior trim paint is made to hold up a lot better than interior paint, so it'll be a lot more durable on the pantry, considering they're going to be putting cleaning supplies in there, canned goods, pans, and shit's going to be scraping on it. So that paint will hold up a lot better. So that's what that is. 2 coats of oil primer and 2 coats of exterior Clarks and Kensington satin trim paint with an extra shot of some white tint to give it that white brightness. We also come in here and I measured all these baseboards. These old baseboards are 4.5 inches tall. I'm gonna have to pull these out because I don't have enough to finish this. They don't make it anymore. Otherwise, I'll have to go get some boards and write it with a router, and I'm not doing that shit. Let's go get some new baseboard because I got to do it in here. So I stole all the baseboard out of here and put it in the living room. So the end of day 30, today is Friday. We're gonna make like shit and hit the stove. It's fucking time to get down the road, go have a cold beer. Don't get too fucked up this weekend. If you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. If you got any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll answer you personally. Also, you can email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, and there's also a link to that in the channel description. Hit the like button if you like it, and if you're subscribing and you're new to the channel, hit the little bell notification so that you know when I upload a new video, you get notified so you can go ahead on and watch that new video when it's uploaded, because we pretty much upload them daily. I'm going to be uploading some restoration videos this weekend, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That's going to be pretty interesting. I got an old 1800s fire axe and I want to drop in a rust stripper. So also I've got 320 more how-to videos and review videos, and hopefully we'll be moving outside of the house and start doing some shit outside the house to make it a little bit more interesting and stuff. But the difference between in here and out there is the fucking air conditioning is in here and the fucking heat is out there. And the flooring guy is going to be 1 week out for a flooring. We're doing all the flooring and stuff, so once that starts, I'm not going to be able to come in here for a couple of weeks and walk on it like we usually do. So I'm going to go ahead on and finish everything in here. And I'm seriously thinking about getting rid of the storm windows. Storm windows suck. See all that condensation on the inside of the window? That's what's fucking the windows up, rotting them out and stuff like that. So a lot of times we'll just go ahead on and rip that shit off, fill the holes, and be done with it. Unfortunately, though, in this house, that's how you put the screens on. Actually, let me look at that a little closer. Nope. That's a screen slot right there. But the screens are not going to fit. But the owner of the house has gave me the go-ahead if I decide that I want to get rid of the storm windows to chuck them. That saves him money of not having to fix the screens and pay for us to fix the screens. It's also probably going to tag him on the home inspection because I'm not going to have no screens on the windows and stuff like that. Some people don't like that shit. So I'm going to go ahead on and hit the fucking breaker, kill the power, the water's turned off. I'm going to lock all my shit up and hope that when I come back Monday, some of these thugs around here don't steal my shit, because this is not the good side of town. And have a good day, and I'll see you on Monday, on day 31 of our home renovation. Yeah, day 20, whatever. Have a good one.